Hi, my name is Alex Rodriguez. I'm a product manager here at Cavallo, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly take a payment on your orders. To demonstrate, let's take a look at an order that I entered earlier. Here we can see that I've got an order here for a Datum Corporation for a couple of Athens desks, and the total of the order is about $5,000. If I want to take a payment on this order, I can either click down here on the balance or up on this payments icon. Once I click this, we open up a little window here where I can configure how I want to take the payment and how much I want to take the payment for. So at the very top, I can choose if I want to take an authorization, if I want to capture an authorization, or if I just want to do both at once. In the middle section, we can choose whether we want to take this payment on one of our stored cards or if we want to enter a new credit card for this customer if we don't want to have one on file for them. And then at the very bottom, we have how much we're going to take the payment for. This will default to the balance of the order, but of course we can take a smaller or larger payment if we need to. I'll go ahead and take this payment now. Now that we've taken the payments, looking at the order, we can see that the amount paid is now matching the total, so we've got a balance of 0. If we hop on over to the Payments tab, we can see that payment we took, and we can review all the information about it, the date, the transaction ID, or details about the card itself. And finally, at the very top, we have a status of this order being fully paid, which of course means that we've taken the full payment on this order. This status is not just a visual. We can use this for filtering and mission control or routing and workflow. So if we want to route fully paid orders one place and unpaid orders in another, we can do that. And we also support other statuses for things like needs payment, partially payment, authorized, and so on. And there we have it. That's how you take a payment on an order in Cavallo quickly and easily. If you have any questions or any other tips and tricks you'd like to see from us, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks again for watching.